Welcome to the Brighton Provincial Wildlife Area, a hidden gem in Northumberland County, Ontario. Recognized as a provincially significant area of natural and scientific interest, this 392-hectare expanse of Crown land is a haven for nature lovers, hunters, and wildlife watchers alike. Its diverse landscape featuring open fields, old orchards, serene woodlands, grasslands, and a 5-acre pond creates rich habitats for countless species of birds, mammals, and aquatic life. Wander along multi-use trails that wind past forests, bubbling streams, and wide open meadows. Whether you're here for a peaceful walk, bird watching, or just soaking in the scenery, there's something for everyone. But Brighton's beauty isn't just natural, it's historical. This area traces its roots to loyal settlers in the late 1700s and has grown through centuries of agriculture and industry. Access is easy. From County Road 26, head north past Highway 401 to Carman Road. Turn east, then right on Coltman Road, 2 kilometers brings you to the main parking lot. Come explore and reconnect with nature.